Foldable fat tire e-bikes continue to be one of the most popular categories on the market, and today we're taking a look at the VARUN S20-2. This model combines a practical foldable frame with 20 by 4-inch fat tires, a removable battery, an EU road legal 250-watt motor, dual suspension, Shimano gearing, a range of up to 100 kilometers, and many other features. After spending some time testing it both on roads and off-road trails, here is everything you need to know. The bike arrives in a fairly standard size box with everything securely packed. Inside, you'll find all the components needed for assembly, along with a battery charger, 2 keys for the battery lock, the required tools, paperwork, and a few useful accessories including a bike lock, a phone holder, and even a compact air pump. If you're interested in picking up one for yourself, you'll find all the links and show notes in the video description down below. Design-wise, the VARUN S20-2 follows the classic foldable fat tire e-bike formula that has proven itself over the years. The folding frame makes it much easier to store in smaller spaces or transport in the trunk of a car, and once unfolded, the bike feels reassuringly solid with no unwanted rattles or flex. It rides on 20 by 4-inch CST fat tires, which provide plenty of grip on a wide variety of terrain, while plastic fenders above both wheels help keep dirt and water away from the rider. One of the biggest highlights is the EU-compliant 250-watt rear hub motor. Out of the box, the bike is limited to the legal maximum speed of 25 km per hour, making it road legal in the EU. For riding on private property, however, it's also possible to unlock the speed limiter, allowing the motor to deliver noticeably stronger performance. I'll talk more about that later in the riding section. Other highlights include a dual suspension system, a sturdy rear cargo rack, adjustable saddle height, and an adjustable handlebar stem. Power comes from a removable 48-volt, 13 mAh battery with a claimed maximum range of up to 100 km. Additional features include a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, mechanical disc brakes, decent quality plastic pedals, and a sturdy kickstand. The front LED headlight provides good visibility after dark, while the rear light also functions as a brake light. Moving to the cockpit area, it is worth noting that this bike does not include a throttle, so the motor only provides assistance while you're pedaling using the cadence sensor. The grips are fairly basic but comfortable enough for everyday riding, while the control pad works together with the LCD display. The display provides all the essential riding information, including current speed, battery level, power assist level, motor output, trip distance, odometer, riding time, average speed, maximum speed, and other essentials. There is also a dedicated button for controlling the lights. Finally, the bike includes a classic mechanical bell, which is simple but effective. Here is how it sounds. Out on the road, the VARUN S20-2 delivers a pleasant and predictable riding experience. Since there isn't a throttle, you'll always need to pedal in order to activate the motor assistance. The cadence sensor introduces a slight delay before the motor engages, but in practice, it's minimal and never felt distracting during my testing. Although the motor is officially rated at just 250 watts, it feels surprisingly punchy when accelerating and reaches the legal top speed quickly. For private property use, you can unlock the speed limiter to access the bike's full performance potential. Of course, if you're riding on public roads, I recommend keeping the bike within the legal 25 km per hour limit. For testing purposes, however, I unlocked the bike to evaluate its maximum performance, and I have to say, it feels noticeably more powerful than its official 250 watt rating would suggest. Naturally, downhill sections allow for even higher speeds. At those higher speeds, the bike feels stable, confidence-inspiring, and well-planted. Whether riding on asphalt, gravel paths, or rougher surfaces, it remains comfortable and easy to control. Off-road performance is also impressive thanks to the wide knobby fat tires that generate excellent traction on loose terrain. During my testing, I rode the bike through forest trails, grass, gravel, and uneven dirt paths, and throughout all of them, the bike maintained good grip while feeling stable and predictable. The dual suspension isn't the softest setup I've tested, but it does a good job absorbing potholes, bumps, and uneven terrain, making longer rides noticeably more comfortable. Hill climbing performance is also respectable, with enough power to tackle moderate inclines without much effort. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain shifts smoothly throughout the gear range, while the mechanical disc brakes performed better than I initially expected, providing confident and predictable stopping power. Overall, the riding experience is genuinely enjoyable. If you have ridden this style of foldable fat tire e-bike before, everything here feels very immediately familiar. It's a proven design that performs well both on paved roads and on light off-road trails. VARUN advertises a maximum range of up to 100 kilometers, which, as with most manufacturers, represents ideal riding conditions. Realistically, with the bike remained limited to the legal 25 kilometers per hour limit and using the lowest levels of pedal assistance, I think somewhere around 80 kilometers is a much more achievable figure, which is still a respectable result. The 48-volt battery is removable, allowing you to charge it either inside the frame or separately. It locks securely into the frame using the supplied key, and a complete recharge takes about 5 hours using the included charger. Overall, I came away pleasantly surprised by the VARUN S20-2. It combines the practicality of a foldable frame with capable fat tires, respectable real-world performance, a removable battery, dual suspension, and a comfortable riding experience, all while remaining fully road legal straight out of the box. If you're looking for a versatile foldable fat tire e-bike that feels equally at home on city streets and occasional off-road adventures, the VARUN S20-2 is definitely worth considering. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this fat tire e-bike? Would you buy this one, or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.